Today, I'm doing a brutally honest test on the supposed extreme hair growth effects of rice water on your hair. Besides extreme hair growth, people claim that rice water can also make your hair mighty strong, extremely soft, super shiny, manageable, and it even gets rid of dandruff. So let's make the real and authentic rice water recipe to find out. To begin, I'm using sticky white rice and 12 cups of water. I needed enough for a month, but you can absolutely make half of everything in here. We can also add citrus peels like it's done in the authentic Chinese recipe. I'm using 1 grapefruit, but you can also use peels from other citrus such as oranges, pomelo, limes, and lemons. The idea is to allow the citrus to clean our hair and aromatize the water, which stinks a lot once it ferments. I also added tea tree and rosemary essential oils because both supposedly have hair growing powers. We proceed to rinse the rice to get rid of impurities. Then we pour the water and rice in a container and massage the rice to extract all the properties in here, which are lots of vitamins and nutrients, especially in sticky white rice. But, you need to know that our hair does not absorb vitamins. I mean, some properties like inositol can do superficial work, like covering our strands with a layer that protects it and maybe make our hair softer. But that's it. Alright, we can now proceed to cook everything. The real and authentic Asian recipe does not cook the rice in the water because it contradicts the extraction of nutrients. Instead, you want to cook just the water, adding only the peels, roots, and any spices you may want to add. I'm adding my essential oils once we're done cooking and the water is warm. Now we just gotta seal this and leave it in the dark for at least 1 week to ferment. But I'm going with 2 weeks, like the Yao women, who also say that the longer you ferment it, the more powerful the rice water can be. You may have heard of the Yao women. These women claim that their long hair was the result of yuzulu, aka rice water rinsing. We're gonna go ahead, add the water to a container, and begin rinsing. And by the way, I'm not using all the water at once or reusing it. I'm actually dividing it and saving it for future uses. And it also allows it to ferment more. And you know what they say, the longer it ferments, the better. I'm using a wooden comb like the Yao women do to detangle my hair before application and to spread the rinse. I read that wooden combs are more delicate with your hair and scalp. It's also believed that they promote hair growth, but I couldn't find any evidence confirming this. I'm carefully combing my hair, following the Yao technique, which consists of gently forming a kind of ponytail at the top of your head and brushing through to spread the rinse and clean your hair. I feel it cleaning my hair, like I'm using the most delicate organic shampoo ever. It also feels like I am using a conditioner. It really is helping me detangle my hair. I'm spending at least 30 minutes with the treatment on while I rinse my hair in here, but I read that you can just leave the mixture in like a regular hair mask for the same 30 minutes if you don't want to keep your head stuck in this bucket. And this is what my hair looks like a day after my very first rice water rinse. I don't think there's like a big difference in shine or anything like that. It does look and feel frizzy, but it feels soft. It really feels soft. God, it smells so bad. Oh my God, blue cheese. That's what it smells like. Oof. Following the Yao women method, I'm applying this every 3 days. So I'm ready for my second application. Carlos is lighting up our own Palo Santo incense to get rid of the cheesy smell from this rice water. And it works. It smells so good. If you're curious, links below. Talking about my husband Carlos, for the past 1 month and 3 weeks, he has been measuring my natural hair growth rate. And we found out that my hair naturally grows 1/4 of an inch per week or 1 inch per month. If we notice exponential growth in comparison to my natural hair growth pattern, then we could then argue that this could actually be stimulating higher rates of hair growth. I mean, this person is claiming 3 inches in 1 week. The results are in 1 week and 2 rice water applications later, my hair has grown an estimated.
Okay.
Did it grow?
Like a 1/4 inch.
So same. 1/4 of an inch, which is my regular, typical, natural hair growth rate. Unfortunately, rice water did not work its alleged magic on me in 1 week. But maybe all it means is that it needs more time. 4 applications and 2 weeks later, my hair has grown less than a 1/4 inch. Pretty much there is no growth. Same exact place?
Same exact.
There was no growth.
No growth.
Well, I keep rinsing every 3 days for a month. I got you a fun fact. Do you know that the Yao women, the ones who made the rice water rinse famous, cut their hair only once in their life? They cut it only when they turn 18. And on top of it all, they have obviously Asian hair, which is mostly thick, straight, and black, and it's scientifically known for growing much, much faster than any other hair type. So yeah, it seems pretty obvious why their hair would be so long, regardless of rice water. It's time to judge the results of 4 weeks and 8 rice water applications later. Well, in terms of shine, I sincerely don't see a difference. Please let me know what you think because I don't notice anything. Another one of the supposed benefits is frizz reduction, but actually my hair got frizzier. Super soft hair. So my hair feels weird because it feels a little soft, but it's brittle at the same time. I mean, this could be the protein in the rice, but here it is. Does it get rid of dandruff? The answer is a big sad no for me because it actually gave me more. The story of my life, seriously. What I did notice was a lot more hair shedding than usual, like, 3-4 times more. Oh, and the highlight is, of course, my hair is super stinky, which remains stinky whether I rinse it with water or shampoo. It just doesn't go away. People can sense it 3 feet away from you. The promise, the extreme hair growth benefits. We found out that my hair grows an estimated 1 inch per month or 1/4 of an inch per week. If the rice water works, regardless of whether I'm protein sensitive or not, we should see drastic hair growth increase. In 1 month of rice water rinsing, twice per week, my hair grew an incredible, oh my God, 1 inch in 1 month, or an average of 1/4 of an inch per week, which is exactly my natural hair growth rate. In other words, unfortunately, rice water rinsing did not generate the super fast, extreme hair growth that certain YouTubers promised us. That's just not even close. Please consider subscribing, hitting that notifications bell, because that's the way YouTube lets you know that, hey, this girl has another video up. Don't forget to try something healthy today, and I'll see you on the next one. Besos.